Okay, welcome to your video tutorial on how to finish up your Voki project that we started in the last class. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the Internet Safety Voki project. You will see your document that you worked on last time, the Internet Safety Voki project with your name in front of it. You're going to click on that to open it up. I already have mine opened. And you need to finish up your paragraph if you haven't done so already. Remember, our paragraph needs to tell at least 3 ways to be safe online. Pretend that you're telling this to a friend. It's got to be at least 5 sentences, but no more than 600 characters. We'll talk more about that in a minute. So make sure you have a good paragraph written. That's the first thing you need to do. 1 space between all your words. Capitalize the first letter of each sentence. Make sure you have punctuation marks at the end, space after your punctuation marks, all the important word processing things that we know how to use. Then, after you're done with your paragraph, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to click on the link right here to go to the Voki website. Click on that, click on the URL. That will take you to Voki. All right, I was given a pirate, but you can change it around. This is the stuff that we worked on last week. You're going to change your character. You can pick any character as long as it doesn't have a star next to them. So if I go all the way up to the top here where I can see all my characters, click on this, you'll see all the characters. These with the stars you cannot use because it won't allow you to save them. If they don't have a star, like all of these, it's okay. So no stars, it won't work. I'll choose the alien since we're getting close to Halloween. All right, once you choose your character, you can go ahead and dress it up with all the accessories. You can change the backgrounds, whatever it is that you want to do. I'll just pick a simple background right there. All right, so you can take some time, finish up your character, change the colors, all that sort of stuff. When you're all done, then you're going to give it a voice. So you have to scroll down a little bit to this little thing that looks like a speaker, and you're going to click on voice. And that's going to open up and it's going to say enter message. Well, we already have our message typed. So we're going to go back over to your document that has your paragraph. And we're going to copy and paste this paragraph. To do that, you're going to click and drag and select your paragraph, or you can do 3 clicks. If you go click, click, click 3 times, that'll select your whole paragraph. And then you're going to make a copy of it. To make a copy, we bring up our keyboard here. You're going to use Control C. So you hold down the CTRL key in the corner, Control, and the letter C. Hold it down and press the letter C, and that will make a copy of your paragraph. Then you're going to go back over to your Voki, click inside of here to get your cursor there, and then to paste, it's the command Control V. So you press and hold Control, and then tap the letter V, and that will paste your paragraph into the Voki. Down below here, it tells me how many characters I've used. I've used 592 of the 600 limit, so you can't go over 600 or it won't work. You can test it. You can click on play.
It is true that the internet can be a dangerous place, but there are
It's a
a few
scary
things you can
Voki.
do to make it safer. First, never give out your personal
All right,
information
I'm going
such
to
as phone
pause that. So you want to listen to that and make sure it sounds good. This will show you if you have any mistakes or if you're missing some words or anything. So you want to listen to your Voki and make sure that your message sounds really good. You can change the voice. You can try different languages. You can try different um, characters. So I'm going to change it to Dave from the US and see what that sounds like. Click play. Okay, I'm going to pause that. So you can play around with the different voices. When you are all finished and it sounds good and you made any changes that you need to make, then that last thing you're going to do is save it. So you're going to come down here and click on the save button. You have to give your character a name. I'll just call mine Alien. There we go. Call it Alien. Click save. All right. When you click on save, it's going to open up and it's going to say character created and sign up. We don't want to do any of that. So underneath here, we're just going to click on no thanks, continue as a guest. And then there are a few options for sharing your Voki. What we are going to use is this link, the copy URL. So you'll see this little thing that looks like a chain link. Click on that. You'll see the URL, which is the website for your particular Voki, will pop up. We're going to make a copy of it. Just click on copy URL. All right, you'll see it says URL copied. Then you're going to jump back over to your document where you have your paragraph, and you're going to scroll down, and underneath number 4, where it says copy and paste the link to your Voki avatar below, you're going to click to get your cursor down below, and then we're going to use that paste command again, control and the letter V, and that will paste URL. When you hit your space bar, just hit your space bar right here one time, it turns it into a workable link that I can go ahead and use and follow it and watch your video, your Voki character. And then the last thing you need to do is turn it in. So up in the corner up here, you will have a turn in button. You're going to click on that to turn it in. If you need to rewind this video and watch different parts of it again, you can. You can also help each other out with this, but this is the process to finish up your Voki, give it a voice, and to turn it in. Good luck with it.